Okay, this is me walking in the door. Actually, there I am. Go see Copper. See how excited he gets. Hi. Hi, baby. What you doing? Hi. You okay? You okay? Aw. Are you a happy boy? How you doing? You okay? You alright? Hi, come here. Come here. Come here. Hi. Aw. How's my baby? You okay? You stretching, boy? You stretching, boy? How you doing? Oh, does Daddy get a kiss? Oh. Oh. How you doing? You okay? He's doing the circus act. Alright. Bye, Copper.